Filipino cuisine is richly defined by ingredients that are identified with the region. The same dish may vary based on what is locally available in that particular region. Most of the names of the dishes were derived from traditional cooking methods and ritual preparations. Filipino food is also influenced by the diverse cuisine of the different Hispanic, Americans, and Asian colonizers. A typical Filipino meal consists of a dish paired with rice and sausawan. It is best enjoyed with family, friends, or even new acquaintances. The secret recipe is in the heart of the one who cooks the dish, making meaningful connections and gastronomical memories that are passed on to future generations. The Likhang Lokal Sarap Siglokal campaign aims to highlight regional traditional Filipino dishes using local sourced ingredients. Promote Filipino culture, preserve heirloom recipes, support the Filipino farmers, champion sustainable methods of food production, and innovate classical Filipino dishes using modern techniques and creativity.